Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make fluffy tamales. Tamales are a traditional dish you'll find throughout the Southwest and regions of Mexico that are made with a masa harana dough and steamed in a corn husk. To make our fluffy tamales, we're going to start with 1/3 cup of shortening. We'll add 1 cup of masa, 1 cup of chicken stock, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The baking soda is what's going to help to cause the dough to rise and make it fluffy. We're going to press them into our corn husk that we have soaked to make more pliable. We'll spread our masa harana dough in a rectangle in the center of our corn husk. Then we'll add our cooked ground beef that we seasoned with a little bit of taco flavoring. We'll put in a little bit of cheddar cheese. We'll start by rolling the tamale over, bringing the edges of the dough together, continuing to roll it into the tamale. Then we'll fold up the end to hold it together. We'll transfer these to our steamer basket and steam for about 15 minutes. Once they are done, we'll let them sit for a few minutes and then they're ready to enjoy.